Now, welcome to our YouTube channel. Some witness don't testify against El-Rufai at the Governorship Tribunal. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) don't assemble 17 out of 685 witnesses who can testify against Governor Nasir El-Rufai. The PDP will want the election tribunal to declare their candidate Isah Ashiru as the winner of the last governorship poll in Kaduna. The party tendered document to show discrepancies in the figure declared by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). 17 out of the 685 witnesses assembled by a way PDP assembled against the 2019 electoral victory of Nasir El-Rufai and don't commence testimony against the governor. The PDP can present 17 witnesses on Monday, June 17, against El-Rufai of the All Progressive Congress (APC) in the governorship election of March in Kaduna State. The news agency of Nigeria now can report that the PDP and its governorship candidate Alhaji Isah Ashiru said they seek the election petition tribunal to nullify the victory of El-Rufai. They also say they want Ashiru to be declared winner and say that because he scored majority of valid vote wey they cast during the election. Because it was land, say the petitioner can join the Independent National Electoral Commission, that is INEC, and APC, and El-Rufai in the case. The can claim say the election say they characterize them by massive ringing, ballot box stuffing, and violence in 110 wards in 12 local government areas of the state. Website include Benegwari, Giwa, Igabi, Ikara, Kaduna North, Kaduna South, Kubwao, Kudan, Lere, Sabongari, Saba, and Zaria. The party council say they don assemble 685 witnesses, mostly the party agents, returning officers, wey they assigned during the poll, may they come testify. The PDP will also come say most of the 684 PDP witnesses wey they expect to testify before the tribunal now within 14 days. The report can say the Ibrahim Bako-led tribunal only admits in the evidence in various documents that they present by the petitioner. The counsel of the petitioner, Elijah Akura San, can present certificates through copies of a form from polling units, ward collection, and local government collection center website they obtained from INEC. Kora also can submit INEC document wey say the report wey they declare the winner of the election to the tribunal. They come noted say the form contain discrepancies wey we say they need to prove. Some of the form wey we say they signed by the agents, some of them no dey stamped at all, and you go find handwriting of one person on all the form. I mean, one person write everything in those forms we don't present. The tribunal also can accept all the documents wey say they present, can also admit same in evidence. They can also they can also show law differences between those INEC form wey say they present to the tribunal and that of the PDP agent. Can they say the witness they don't assemble to speak on the form. He said the witness also go present genuine copy of the document as they testify. Alright, may I not forget to now subscribe to our YouTube channel as we give an update of latest news. I beg us now subscribe, but now press notification bell so now we get update of our news. I beg now well done. God bless you now well. Thank you for watching Aka Jesus TV.